In this lesson, we will get an overview of data integrity testing. Let's have a look at some of the business use cases where data integrity testing is important. Data integration. Testing is needed when integrating a combination of on-premise and cloud-based data stores. Data migration. Today, we get more and more use cases to test migrations from on-premise to the new cloud-based platforms. Full end-to-end data test coverage. We see requirements to test across all layers of the data process, from source, storage to analytics and reporting, and integrate with CI/CD platforms. Geospatial, the ability to work with GraphDB capabilities to check all the endpoints associated with nodes. For example, data relating to patients and location contact tracing. Data mining. We have huge amounts of data, and the quality of our analytics is based on the quality of the data. 60% of scientists spend time fixing data, which is better spent on innovation. Fraud and abuse, the ability to monitor and profile for outliers in the data. This is impossible to spot if we have bad data. To summarize, whatever the use case may be, if the data quality is bad, we cannot depend on the end results. So where does data integrity fit into testing? Data is loaded into UI and API applications built in various technologies. Data entered in these sources is extracted, loaded, and transformed into the data warehouse. Business intelligence reports are generated from the data warehouse for decisions, metrics, and ratings. And who's responsible for data integrity testing? QA teams test the UI and API of their developed or customized applications, either manually or using a script-based tool. We have data engineers or data stewards that test the data layer by building and maintaining long, complex SQL queries and using script-based tools for execution. Business analysts manually check the BI reports, and when they find issues, they require data engineers to write additional debug queries. Tosca's scriptless model-based automation covers all layers. Automation is created by different teams and combined for end-to-end execution and coverage. Base Tosca is used for UI and API automation, which also covers BI report testing. Tosca DI is built into Tosca and is used for testing the data layer. We need to test end-to-end for data lineage to identify and catch issues as they occur. Tosca data integrity is ETL and data source agnostic, enabling us to connect to data sources and test across all landscapes. We have a layered approach to data warehouse testing, setting up tests as early as possible. We automate through the UI, API, and data layer, then assemble the tests to run in the logical order, and integrate with existing build pipelines.